Hi guys, I'm Clay and I'm an animator and visual effects artist. On this episode, we'll be talking about a recent project we did for the University of South Florida's Muma College of Business. Recently, the Muma College of Business named its supply chain management program after Monica Wooden. When we got the script, we discovered that the language used to describe supply chain management is very conceptual. That is to say, it's rather difficult for a layman to understand. As we were responsible for creating the visual support for this story, we needed ways beyond just kinetic typography to illustrate what supply chain management is. Supply chain management involves the flow of raw goods and materials into the development of products that we use and know very well, and then their distribution to vendors. Our motion theory to illustrate supply chain management involved a vibrant color palette provided by the Muma College of Business, kinetic typography, animated iconography, and a general story of flow from A to B. Conceptual language and statistical facts were truly brought to life in a sparkly way with our animation for this project. Thanks for watching this episode of Talking Stories with TSM. Stay tuned for the next one.